Just 2 weeks after 7 people overdosed and died from fentanyl in Kalamazoo, the mission to prevent even more deaths continues.
Our Yasmin Moody joining us with what a local nonprofit is doing to help.
In my hand is a fentanyl testing strip. This, along with Narcan kits, were given out for free on Thursday by the local organization Hope Through Navigation. They say the goal is to save lives.
People will not get the opportunity to recover if they're dead.
CEO of Hope Through Navigation, Gwendolyn Hooker, says since the pandemic, they've witnessed more people turn to substance abuse.
There's always been, an opioid epidemic in our country. But with people locked in place at home with very little to do but drink and get high, that number of people that are using increased, therefore the number of overdoses also increased.
It's what she calls an unprecedented time, adding that anyone can suffer from drug addiction, so everyone should have access to Narcan kits and fentanyl testing strips.
People are going to stop using when they're ready to stop using. And so, with no judgment, we want to make sure that if that's where they are in their life, that they have the ability to know how to use safely.
She also says part of using safely is making sure you're not alone, kind of like having a designated driver.
There's a designated person that's watching people as they're using the substance that they have to make sure that it's safe.
These harm reduction tools aren't only for people who use drugs. They're for everyone. The Narcan kit contains nasal syringes and information on how to use it. The fentanyl testing strips helps determine whether or not there's opioids in what they're using. Having the kit is like CPR.
The assumption is that if everybody has the kit and knows what it looks like when someone is in active addiction, is in an opioid episode or overdose episode, then they would know how to respond.
She says the best resource for helping people is to destigmatize addiction.
It needs to be treated just like any other disease, just like cancer or diabetes. If you apply medication to the disorder, people will recover from it. But people have to have that space to recover.
So that means stop assuming that people are automatically bad or criminals. Instead, Hooker says refer them to the resources right here in Kalamazoo, like Griffin's Place 211, Southwest Michigan Behavioral Health, Community Healing Center, and Recovery Institute. We'll have a link to those resources on our website at fox17online.com. Reporting in Kalamazoo, Yasmin Moody, Fox 17 News.